Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into how criminal law works in Oklahoma. Whether you're a resident or just curious, this is your quick guide to understanding the process. First off, let's talk about arrests. In Oklahoma, if someone is suspected of committing a crime, the police can arrest them based on probable cause. This means there's enough evidence to believe the person committed the offense. After an arrest, the suspect is taken to jail and booked, which includes fingerprinting, photographing, and recording personal information. Next up, arraignment. Within a few days of the arrest, the suspect appears before a judge for the arraignment. Here, the charges are read, and the suspect can enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If they plead not guilty, the judge will schedule future court dates and consider bail. Now let's move on to preliminary hearings. This is where the prosecution must show enough evidence to prove that there's a probable cause to believe the suspect committed the crime. If the judge agrees, the case moves forward to trial. Speaking of trials, in Oklahoma, defendants have the right to a jury trial for most criminal charges. During the trial, both the prosecution and defense present their evidence and witnesses. After both sides have made their case, the jury deliberates and returns with a verdict, guilty or not guilty. If the defendant is found guilty, the next step is sentencing. The judge considers various factors, such as the severity of the crime and the defendant's criminal history, to determine an appropriate punishment. This could range from fines and community service to imprisonment. And finally, there's always the possibility of an appeal. If the defendant believes there was a legal error during the trial, they can ask a higher court to review the case. So there you have it, a bird's eye view of how criminal law works in Oklahoma. It's a complex system, but understanding these steps can help you navigate or simply comprehend the legal landscape better. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.